In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Canva. Adding text is one of the most common things you'll do in Canva, whether you're making a social media post, a presentation, a flyer, or any kind of design. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to add your own text from scratch and get it ready to customize. First, make sure you're on your Canva design page with your project open. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is where Canva keeps all your main tools, like elements, photos, and uploads. Look for the option labeled text on that left sidebar. It usually has a small T icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the text option, a panel will open that shows different ways to add words to your design. Canva offers a lot of pre-made text combinations and font styles, but for now, we'll keep it simple and add a basic text box that you can fully edit. In that text panel, look for the button that says Add a Text Box. Click on Add a Text Box and Canva will automatically place a new text box right in the middle of your design canvas. You'll see a box appear with some default placeholder text, usually something like, add a little bit of body text. As soon as the text box appears, it should already be selected and your cursor will be inside it, ready to type. If it isn't, just click once inside the box to activate it. Now, start typing in the text you want to add to your design. This could be a title, a short message, a quote, or any words you need. As you type, you'll see the text appear immediately on your design. You can keep it short or write a longer sentence or paragraph. If your text runs over one line, Canva will automatically wrap it to the next line for you. Once your text is in place, you can click and drag the text box to move it around your design, or drag the corners of the box to adjust its size. From here, you're ready to customize things like font, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. But the core process of adding text is exactly what we just covered. Open the text menu, add a text box, and type in your content.